think this is one of those cakes that needs a video. This is a motorcycle helmet. Spin it around. Was copying the actual motorcycle helmet of a fellow who races motorcycles. Coming around to the back. And the little inside joke with him and his wife is the life flight helicopter, because unfortunately he had an accident and had to be life flighted, so wanted to put that on the cake as a little personalization for it. The cake itself is 2 tiers of vanilla and dark chocolate cake stacked, alternating flavors, and also alternating fillings of vanilla and chocolate. So the cake feeds probably around 40 people or so, and it's about 10 inches tall, about 12, maybe not quite 12, about 10 inches, it's about 10 by 10, I'd say. So it's a pretty good sized cake. But anyway, really enjoyed making this and painting it. It's all hand painted with airbrush and gel colors. See the pretty little stars on there. Thank you for looking.